You know what I'm saying? I can't see none of that. You know what I'm saying? And that's what was fucking with me.
Fashion company or myself, designer. But appreciate the recognition for what we do, and I want to thank
First job. How'd you get it?
Get, yeah, I left him with 8 balls on the table. Fuck
And okay, tonight we got Mike and Lori. Who do you think's gonna win?
Mike. Definitely Mike.
No doubt.
Mike.
Don't sleep on her though.
Niggas wanna be him so bad, chasing clout capping like they peace. Enough is enough, bro. Y'all niggas not popping harder than 4th of July on game.